Hello there, this is Teacher Wayne and I'm continuing my Unity 2018 series on the zombie survival game. In the last one I shared some code and I'm just doing a bit of a code review now just to see, just basically so let you figure out things for yourself and see if you figure this out. So I left it where the yeah, that's my code. I left it where I did all these different stages here, and I've added some debugs. I've also what I've done is I found out later that one of the problems that you will get which you might have figured out is he just keeps walking forever, and I solved this by changing these to else ifs, and I put an else and I put a idle state at the end. I put little debugs as well just so that you can see in transition between them. I want to comment these out now. It's always good to put that. I've also put some bits and bobs in myself when I was troubleshooting things. Just what you want is, we're not really interested in this top state. What we can do is to make the code even better is get rid of the top state completely there, delete that, and get it so that basically we're idle if none of these states are true. Now I've added all these now, so we've got, hopefully you figure these out for yourself. So if his idle state, we set that as true and everything else is false. If his walking state, that is true and everything else is false. Attack state, that is true, this is false. And dead state, this just is dead. So now I've added this. I want to show you what happens when we run the game, and you'll see how the little debugs come up on the screen as well. Hopefully you're going to see it says he's walking. If I move around here and out of thing, he's idle now, and can you see the idle goes out, go back again, he's walking. Now if I get close enough, you'll see him hopefully going to the attack phase. No, it confuses him. For some reason he's not going in the attack stage. We'll have a look at that later, but he's walking. Now the bit I want to focus on this video, press stop play now, clear all these out, go back into the code, is we want the zombie to actually turn and face us if he can see us. So the angle may be less than 45, but it might be an idea if he turns and faces. And I want to introduce you to this concept called where it rotates, where we get to the zombie to rotate. So I'm just going to tap in the code and then I'll try to explain it as I do it. So we're going to go this dot transform. So that's this zombie, the character we're doing, but this time we're doing rotation. We want to rotate. That's if you can see us, obviously. Want to rotate. Now we use this concept called coordination. These are how we define angles within Unity, and then we're going to do something called slurping. Now slurping is like a gentle rotation the zombie does. We slurp in Unity, and slurping is just like a slow rotation, and we're going to rotate this dot rotation, sorry, the dot transform dot rotation. So in our current rotation we want it to match the actual and point towards where the player is. So we do, hang on a minute, see if I get the code right for this. It is, yes, coordination dot look rotation, so we're going to face towards where the actual player is. Use those variables here, and how quickly do we want to rotate. If you look here, there's the definition. So it's expecting a float. Now this is how quickly it rotates, so I'm going to set it as 0.1 f, so not that big. I can make that smaller or less. That's how quickly it rotates. I think we've done it there. So hopefully it's going to rotate. If it's attacking, it's automatically going to be there. If it's dead, we don't care what position it's rotated. And if it's idle, we don't care. But this, it's important that we rotate. And I'll see if this works. I'm going to press play just out of curiosity. It should now rotate. Oh, look at that. It's beautifully rotating with us. Oh, and it's now floating on air. If you look, every time he rotates, he gets higher and higher and higher. That is just bonkers. So what we want to do, clear that, is we want to change the variable to stop him doing that. So we want to get him so that he doesn't go upwards. So what we can do is we have a direction which is our direction. We can force our direction to go down. So just give me a minute, let me think about how we're going to do that. We're going to do, yeah, let's try this. Direction, no, direction dot y, which is our white stage. I'm going to set it to 0. Hopefully that'll push us down. Let's see if that works. Yeah, he's really quite aggressively turning towards us, and he's not jerkily moving, he's moving as fast as me because it's 0.1. Let's see if I can run away from him. Still he's walking, I can see he's walking, he's walking, he's walking. Oh, there he is, idle. You saw that flip? So I've got some distance and now he's in an idle stage. I wanted to show you something. If I go to scene move, I can move around in scene move. Let's find this zombie. Where is he gone? In fact, I'll just do this. There he is. There he is. He's in idle mode, and that's where I am, and I've moved more than 50 game units. Quite a distance actually. You might want to reduce that to 30 or something. But he stops chasing me, and if I go back into game mode, and if I move towards, oh there he is, if I move towards him, watch it. Oh, he's walking now, so he's starting to walk towards me. That, the only thing that's not working is it goes into idle instead of attacking me. I'll figure that one out later. It's very strange that, I don't know why he does that. I'll figure it out later. But anyway, this is Teacher Wayne. I hope you enjoyed that simple little video on getting the code working, getting animation working together, and thank you very much and goodbye.